The idea of an alpha male has become very popular in discussions about social dynamics and dating. Traditionally, people imagine an alpha as a big, strong, gorilla-like man. But while physical power was important in the past, today the true alpha represents more of a mindset and attitude. What defines a modern alpha male is unshakable confidence and belief in himself. He carries himself with calm self-assurance. This allows him to remain unfazed by external factors like other people's opinions. He doesn't get nervous or reactive in new situations or around new people. Internally, he feels comfortable in his own skin. This frees him from constant external validation seeking. Women instinctively recognize and are magnetically drawn to this aura of self-sufficiency. On a primal level, they perceive unflappable confidence as a rare and valuable survival trait. When interacting with a man exuding these alpha qualities, a woman's behavior transforms instinctively to please him. She hangs on his every word, laughing eagerly at his jokes. Her body language opens up as she makes strong eye contact and flips her hair flirtatiously. On a deep biological level, she hopes to win the favor of this socially dominant male. Contrast this to the average beta male. He is constantly seeking the woman's approval through gifts, compliments, and supplication. But this neediness is instantly sensed by women and it turns them off on a visceral level. Consciously, they may claim to want a nice guy who treats them like a princess, but their biology responds better to the mystery and challenge of the alpha. His indifference sparks her interest. You can observe these dynamics clearly when it comes to dating pursuits. The female enthusiastically chases the alpha male, making herself constantly available on the off chance he grants her some attention or affection. She sees winning his praise as the ultimate prize. But for the beta male, she couldn't be less interested. She pulls away from his constant chasing and submission, doling out occasional scraps of affection just to keep him around as an ego boost. By noticing these unconscious dynamics, a man can gauge where he truly stands with women. Does he embody the self-assured mindset of the alpha, inspiring eager female interest and submission? Or does he exhibit the anxious energy of the beta, desperately seeking female validation but always finding rejection? The more a man's real-world interactions fit the alpha model, the further along he is on the journey towards attraction mastery. You can use these insights to identify areas for improvements, times when he became too nervous or eager to please. With conscious effort, he can adopt the posture, tone, and habits of thought of the unflappable alpha. Exuding these qualities will unlock far more natural confidence around women. In the modern world of political correctness and gender equality pretensions, these primal archetypes may seem outdated or offensive. Consciously, most modern women would likely denounce the alpha-beta dichotomy as misogynistic. But the truth is, the primal instincts which evolved over millions of years cannot be erased overnight. The magnetic draw of male power and competence still influences female attraction on a subconscious level. For men seeking greater dating success, learning to activate these timeless masculine qualities and channel their inner alpha is thus indispensable. This requires challenging oneself to rise above anxious beta tendencies, approach new situations with self-belief rather than self-doubt, develop an internal compass immune from external validation, adopt an amused mastery towards life's challenges. The more this alpha mindset is internalized, the more natural it'll become. Some may worry that tapping into their alpha side will turn them into arrogant jerks. In reality, the true alpha has nothing to prove. His grounded confidence allows him to keep a calm, centered vibe even in tense situations. He has high standards for himself and others, but expresses them through firm boundaries rather than egoic dominance. Channeling one's alpha is about becoming a man of bold purpose, high integrity, and unshakable self-belief. Mastering the elusive qualities of alpha masculinity offers tremendous advantage in dating, romance, and relating to women. By learning to evoke primal feelings of desire and submission, while also leading with wisdom and honor, a man can create relationships of a depth few ever experience. This path requires ruthless self-honesty, commitment to growth, and rejecting victim mentalities. The rewards for those who persist are nothing short of incredible. Unlock your inner alpha, but also your inner sage.